Hello YouTube, I bought a Nexa product here, product number 2. I have Nexa from before for dimming light. This is only for on and off. I unboxed it for 2 minutes ago, and this is video for showing how it's work. It was 3 sockets in this and this remote control, and now I have plugged this together with 3 different lamp. So here is lamp number 1. See here? Off. On. Yes, fantastic. Easy when you sit in sofa and you want to relax a little bit. And here number 2. Fantastic. This product is cool. 30 meter. It can work for 30 meter. On and off. Fantastic. Sit in sofa, you want to see a video or something and you want to turn off light or on light. Easy. Okay. And here it's the other Nexa I have. I have 2 of them. This is for dimming. And this is another remote control like this. It's not coming, you must buy this remote control and this who sit up there. This is the Nexa product for dimming, this one. I will show you how it works when I first use it. Okay, we do this, turn on, and now we want to dim. We can stop it there. It's fantastic. Up. We can stop, or we can turn off. This is fantastic. This is really cool. Nexa, Swedish product, really cool. Really nice. So this is my new product today. Come with three main socks. Yeah, it looks like this. Come with 3 of them. And remote control in one pack. It's not expensive either. On, off, and it's self-learning system. You plug it in and you bin it with this remote control. 2 seconds, it's binding. Fantastic, really good. And I have one more in the kitchen. Nice. Good.